the end. And we have Durga Dashwal sir, who also bought a 210L for himself. So let's give them a huge round of applause. They are from Dashwal Brothers, Hafapur, and they have got two amazing excavators with us. So let's give them a huge moment. Noise and family of